Hello everybody, and welcome back to Easy Digital Planners, your planners to make your life, your planning, your achieving, your everything easier and easier day by day. Digital planning. Okay, so after letting you know how I'm approaching goals this 2021 and how to measure up this 2020, I wanted to share in this video, and actually this video is going for a free email course for my lovely and amazing customers on soul-centered goals. Okay, so yeah, this email course is free for my customers, for my everyone that's getting their planner this for this next year and for the years ahead. The course is called Goals with Soul, and it's all about setting the goals and planning them for the rest of the year. And in this video, we're gonna work first on clarifying your goals with soul, your soul-centered goals. Are you ready? Okay, before we dive in, there's a zip file below this video with some worksheets for you on PNG format, so you can import them into your Easy Planner quickly and super easily as if they were stickers. And also it's a PDF file inside that zip file in case you want to have this worksheet separate from your planner. All right, let's start. So how do we set goals with soul? This is super simple, super easy to get started. It's well, maybe not to get started, but to respond, because we want goals that come from our heart, from our soul. And something that I love to do before setting them up, to really tune in. And there was a little hummingbird outside. Oh my God. Thank you. So something I really love to do before setting up my goals, and especially these type of goals that are supposed to be really intimate, kinda, and really important and really deep, I like to start with some meditation, and or at least with some deep breathing in and breathing out, like 5 times like this. Oh my God. And after this, I start. In case you want to do a deeper meditation, you can. Some meditations I really love are from Jessica Snow from yourmagicla.com. They are amazing. And yeah, that's step number 1. Relaxing our mind, tuning in to our heart and our soul with our breathing and relaxing. And now that we are in this really calm space, a really peaceful and open space, we can ask our heart and our soul, what do they really want? What do they really want to learn, to create, and to experiment? These are 3 key questions for me, and you can change them according to what really and deeply resonates with you. But I found these 3 things: learn, create, explore, or experiment, are really tied into my heart and really deep. And yeah, that these are super deep, profound, enjoyable things. So yeah, you can feel free to adapt them if you will. And now get ready with your worksheets. Set up your timer, 5 minutes. You will have only 5 minutes per question. What do you want to learn? 5 minutes. What do you want to create? 5 minutes. And what do you want to experiment? 5 minutes only. So go as quickly as you can. Try to stay connected to your heart, to your soul, so that the ego does not creep in. All right? Amazing. So we want to go fast and we want to list all the things that come to your mind that feel amazing, that you actually cannot wait to start doing them, to start learning them, to start creating them, to start experimenting them. And remember, just 5 minutes tops per column, like you can see here. Now, the third step is to filter those items so that you remain with only and only goals that are really, truly, and deeply meaningful to your heart. So grab your pen or your stylus and put a little heart aside each item that represents or that applies to this next things. You would do it for free. If that's something you would do for free, add a little heart aside the item, each item that you would do, even if it were for free. The second is you were doing even if nobody knew you were doing it. Sometimes we spend doing all kinds of things just because we want people to notice us, to see that we're capable of doing things. And now it's time for things that only us, only we care about. That's only for us. So put a little heart aside each item you would do, even if nobody, not even your mom, would knew you were doing it. Put a little heart aside each item that feels exciting and thrilling and amazing, even when there might be some fears and doubts around it. But overall, there's excitement, there's passion, there's thrills and chills all over your body when you think about it. Then add a little heart aside each item that you've been putting off and off and off and off for so much time, for so long that you cannot even remember, but that you still dream about it. Put a little heart. I know there are several stuff that I've been putting off and off and off and off, and I know you might too, so put a little heart. And finally, add another little heart to every item that brings you calmness and that feels heartwarming, like amazing, like so much love and so much calm and so much peace around it. Put a little heart. And now that your 3 lists have all these amazing, beautiful little hearts, it's time to know, to decide how many goals do you want to devote to this year. It really depends on your schedule, whether you're working full-time, part-time, studying, or you run a business, or maybe you are homeschooling your kids. So really take a deep look into your schedule and determine how many hours per week you can devote to your soul-centered goals. And from there, decide how many goals you want to devote to this next year. And you can even start little by little and start small if you want. You can pick how many goals you want to work on for the next or during the next 3 months, and not like this gigantic thing that seems a whole year, right? So decide how many goals, and now pick the items from your list that have more little hearts aside them. For me, it's always 1 to 2 goals per quarter. so a total of 4 to 8 per year, and maximum 3 per quarter, because sometimes, most of the times, it takes longer, and there might be things that we didn't see at the beginning when we were planning out. So that's why I recommend, and I do this myself, 1 or 2 goals per quarter, and maximum 3. And it also really depends on my schedule as well. So, wow, oh my God, what an amazing goal setting session it was. Goals with soul, goals with heart, goals with all this thriving, and oh my God, I'm having goosebumps. So all this kind of energy, I love it, and I hope you've been loving it too. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I really wish that you've enjoyed this and that it's been insightful. This video has been helpful to you and your goals for the next year. Now let me know in the comments what will be your goals for the next quarter. I want to know. And if you want to get the rest of this course, of this free course, Goals with Soul, make sure you get your 2021 planner. It is going to be free for my customers. And if you've already got your planner, make sure you sign up for the course, because it's going to be delivered through email. It should be the sign up form should be on your customer dashboard. So yeah, join there. If there's any questions, if you have any doubts about the free course for my lovely and amazing customers, Goals with Soul, let me know as well below. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video, this session, and I wish you all the very best for the coming year and beyond. See you on my next video. Bye.